easy, go easy. Go easy.
Yay!
Come on, handsome.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
Easy.
Hello. Come on, handsome.
You can go right in. You can go
Good.
right in.
Up in your seat.
Hey, Andrew.
Happy birthday, Lisa.
What?
Okay. Magic one.
Where are you going? Get up in your seat.
All the way.
No, you're not going back there with the other kids. Silly boy. Silly boy. One arm. Two arms. Good job. Click. Click. Click.
I can.
And now we have to adjust the strap because you don't have 10 pounds of clothes.
Ow.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
But yeah. There you go.
It's supposed to be 80 today. Hi, Chrissy. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Jeez. Okay. See you tonight. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow, Gene.
See you tomorrow. Have a
Bye.
good day.
You too.
Bye.
Here. Drive.
There goes the school bus. There it goes. Bye-bye.